Hey everyone, welcome to class. Now today we're going to be going over more fruits and vegetables, bouncing off what we did yesterday, and we're also going to go over what we did yesterday. And in this case, there are so many of these fruits and vegetables that you find in the grocery produce aisle. So they're very important to know, as I said yesterday, for everyday life. So to go over what we did yesterday, this is a slide from yesterday, and these are some of the things we went over. And first off, what is this? It's a sunflower. Good. And this here? Yes, a banana. You find those in clumps like this at the grocery store. And this? Yes, a watermelon. You don't find those like this. They're round, green, and striped. So this is like what the inside looks like. And these? They're two different colors. Yes, apple. Green apple, red apple. And these? Yes, peppers. The hot kind, the spicy kind. And these here? Tomatoes. Yes, they're orange, but they're still tomatoes. And this? Banana. Good. And this here? Pepper. Yes, the spicy one. And this? Orange. Yes, this one is just cut up into several pieces. But yes, that is an orange. And this here? Apple. Green apple. Good. And once again, banana, apple, banana, apple, orange. Good. And this. Does anyone remember what this thing is? Corn. Yes. Corn on the cob. You can put it in soups and stuff like that and just eat it off the cob, what the corn is on. And this over here, lemon. Good. If you ever hear the idiom, I got a lemon, it means something bad. I got something bad out of a batch of something, whether it be a car or whatever. And the rest of these, and this right here, this one I'd be surprised if anyone remembered it. Nectarine. Good. It's somewhat like a peach, if you recall, only it's a little firmer, a little harder. And anyone else want to name off any of the rest of these before we move on? Yes, green and red apples. Good. 2 more pieces of watermelon. Good. And a lot more bananas. Yeah, that's popular on this slide. And peppers. Yes. And more orange tomatoes. Yep. Now, go over just a few of these because these are a little less common. It's common enough, but not quite as common. These? Anyone remember what these are? Yes, that is an olive. You can put them in alcoholic drinks like martinis and just eat them straight. And they're also you can put them on pizza and things like that. And more peppers. These are green peppers. Also spicy, I believe. And these are strawberries. A little on the sour side, but strawberries. And plural, remember, strawberry is Berry. And at the end, when you switch it to plural, it's Berries. And this one, corn. Good. And this, tomato. Yes, it's actually red this time. And this here, this one and this one, they're berries. Yes, blackberries. Good. This down here is a new one we will get to in a minute. This fruit down here. Now that we've reviewed that, we're going on to the good part of this, the more fun part where you get to learn more things. So, this up here is a cucumber. And these can be put in salads and things like that. And this is another pepper, only it's called a red pepper. This one is not spicy. And this is the watermelon. You were looking at the inside of the previous pictures. This is an actual watermelon. Watermelon. And this is a cherry. These are cherries. Cherry. And it also, in plural, follows the same pattern as berries. And this is another melon, like watermelon. It's related, called a cantaloupe. And this one should be easier to remember. Eggplant. Eggplant. And plural, you just put an S onto the end of that. And this up here is a zucchini. It's another squash, only it's kind of an Italian-ish word. You could think of it. Zucchini, Zucchini. The CH is pronounced as a bit of a K, so zucchini. And those can also be put on salads and things like that. And these are radishes. A little on the spicy side. Radish. And with this one, you put an ES as far as plurals. You pull these out of the ground and put them on salads and stuff again. And this is a green pepper, much like the red pepper up here, just a different color, also non-spicy. And here we have a carrot. This is what rabbits, the little furry critters with long ears, like to have, just love to eat. These are carrots. And plural, just put an S at the end. And this is cabbage. And cabbage, ever hear the idiom, I have no cabbage, it means I have no money. Cabbage and money can be used interchangeably and in specific contexts. And this is another cucumber. This is rhubarb. And rhubarb, it's R-H-U-B-R-B. Rhubarb. Only the R-H. The H is silent and it just sounds like R-U-E. Rhubarb. And here's more corn. This is what it looks like in the ear. Before you peel off the layers. And now we have a lot of different things to look at, but we'll take this a little bit slower. First, we'll go over what we've already just learned and gone over with some clause sentences. And then we can go over with guided practice a little bit more of what these things are.